Hello. These are the jewelry from local, you can say local manufacturing, specially designed for Arab nationals. And these are the martasha. It's used for bridal. For this is traditional jewelry from for the UAE people, and UAE nationals. These are the best designs what we have here. Some of them are this type of is a natural pearl with color stones. This is from Bahrain, specially handcrafted from Bahrain. These are also all traditional jewelry. This is called Maria. Arab nationals they like a lot this one. This is specialized for Arab nationals. And then we have over here, this is all Arab nationals jewelry, especially for bride, for bridal wear. This one, and it's like when they get married, they use this type of jewelry. These are all satami, and also all this jewelry mustaqam. These are all from Bahrain, Saudi, and UAE local jewelry, local manufacturing. These are on this part we have Khanaga, Martasha. These are all the specialized jewelry and crafted by hand. It's handwork jewelry. It's from Bahrain. It's from local jewelry manufactured in UAE, made in UAE. This one, and all it's like handcrafted especially for Arab nationals. These are their favorite ones. These are all choker with very lightweight range, starting from around 10 to 12 grams and varying up to around 40 grams, 45 grams. Here we have all this type of martasha. These are starting from around 60-70 grams till 100 grams, 120 grams. This is also a bridal wear, especially used for Arab nationals for the wedding. Here we have on the opposite side, we have white gold jewelry, which is used for bridal wear, for their reception party, for the jewelry. These are made from Saudi. It's made in Saudi. All in 18 karat white gold jewelry. I am Sanihal. I am from India, I came here in 1998, and I started working as a salesperson. I was a salesperson in the workshop in Gold Factory, and I started my business by buying from the workshop and selling to the wholesalers, retailers, and that's how I started my business. Then in 2004 I started this shop. This is my first shop, CD Jewelers. It's located in Sharjah Central Market, block number 1, shop number 2. And then after around 4-5 years I opened my other branch in the same market. It was the name of Mayur Jewelry, same in Central Market, block number 5. Then after around 6-7 years I opened my other branch in the same market with the name Al Marari Jewelers, Al Marari Jewelers Trading LLC in Central Market. It's located in block number 8, shop number 22. And we are established here in UAE from last 1998, and we are doing very good. We are very much futuristic. We have very good business here, very good safety concerns. We feel very safe here, and doing business is very easy, and it's very familiar. We are very much happy that we are in UAE, and we love this country, and this country has given me everything. When I started here, I didn't have hardly 1,000 dirham in my pocket, and I started as a salesperson, and then we started growing, and I got some good business relations with my customers. They support me a lot from different countries, different nationalities. I have from all part of world. I have the client customer relations, like from Russian, then African, then Ethiopian, Saudi nationals, Qatari, then Bahraini nationals, then Muatan. We are also dealing with locals. Of course, local are the first one. Sorry to say, but it's like we are very much found with this country, and we love this country. We are doing very good, even in this virus, this coronavirus situation. Compared to other countries, we are doing quite good, and we are going well. Future is mashallah. We are planning to open a new shop in Dubai in a short time, maybe in this year end, before 2020 finish, and we see very good bright future for UAE. And His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, he is a very good ruler, and he is supporting a business activity at the best, and we feel that we will grow at very higher speed. Even in Sharjah, Sheikh Sultan Al Qasimi is a good ruler, and we have very good infrastructure for business relations. The economy section of Sharjah, Chamber of Commerce of Sharjah, they are very much in, you can say, they are very much as a business relation. They are helping us to prospect, to grow, and very good environment we have for the business. And I think people who are thinking to open a new business or any new venture, UAE is a good country to invest, and it's a good to invest here. You are very much secured, very much safe, and it's very friendly environment. It's very good. We are specialists in Arabic local national jewelry, specially crafted for Arab nationals from Bahrain, from Saudi, and from Italy, Turkey, then Malaysian, Singapore jewelry. We are also specialized in 18 karat diamond jewelry, specially handcrafted, and we are specialized for bridegroom sets for diamond. And we also have collection for gift, like those people who are looking for 1,000 dirham or 1,500, in that they can get a very good diamond gift. So we are specialized in all type of jewelry. Especially our main customers are Arab nationals. We are specialized for Arabic jewelry, and we have a large variety of Arab jewelries. They are looking for Bahraini and Saudi jewelries, and we are also dealing with big companies like Taiba and Lazordi, very big jewelry companies, jewelry. They have very good range of designs. We are also specialized on handwork, on particularly if you have any order, if you want to make any jewelry from any picture or any of your design, what you are looking for, we can do it. We have our own factory also. We are connected with one factory also, and also we have Indian varieties of jewelry, especially targeting Indian customers. It's 22 carat Indian jewelry, Singapore, Malaysian jewelry, and we have here large variety of jewelries. So it's like Dubai is well known for city of gold. It's gold. Everywhere you go, you will find gold, and everywhere you have good big jewelry shops. And we are also specialized in gold jewelry, all type of jewelry. And we are here to cater our customer, whatever they need, the requirement. We are giving the best services, whatever the requirement, and they can pay in easy installment also by paying any in installment program. And we are very much supportive with customers feedback also. It's like my, you can say, a type of my success story and my advice to all youngsters, entrepreneurs who are coming over here to start up their business and with a big vision. You need to be a hard worker. You need to be honest to your work. And as I said to you, I started with, you can say, zero investment, but it was only my vision. I was thinking about to do at my highest, and savings is most important when you do business or when you work. If you have any saving plan, then you can make your future bright. So you should be targetive. You should have to be honest to your work. You should be hardworking. And my advice to any generation, this generation, for entrepreneurs, you need to invest a part of your investment program in gold, because it gives you high return and it's safer. Anytime, anywhere, you can use your gold for any currency. So it's a good investment. If you want to invest, you should invest in gold. At least from your portfolio, from your 100 dirham, you can say you have to invest 20-30 dirhams in gold. That will save your future and it will help your future. So investing in gold is the best option. Thank you.